Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. You are welcome, my dear followers. Today, inshallah, we will talk about more verbs that we used in everyday life. Today, inshallah, we will talk about the verb ذهب. Salah, prayed, we talked about it last video. Today, inshallah, we will continue and speak about the verb ذهب. It means went. Let's start. Bismillah. Sorry for lating. I forgot to clean it. Yeah. ذهب, it means went. ذهب, the past of go, went. Let's start. Let's say how we'll write it with another pronouns. أنا, we said before I. أنا, I write like that. ذهب أنا أذهب. أنا, I add a. أنا أذهب. In present. In present it will become I go. أنت, I start from this letter. أنت ت. ذهب. It become تذهب. Let's write it in a good handwriting. أنت تذهب. You go also. أنتِ, the same. You, for feminine. The same ta I started here. تذ, the same verb. أنت, أنتِ تذهبي. I add after ذهب يا and noon. تذهبين. Let's writing in a good handwriting. Yeah. أنا أذهب. أنت تذهب. أنتِ تذهبين. تذهبين. أنتما, the same ta before the verb to the present. تذهبان. I add here ya and noon with anti. أنتما, I have here alif. I add alif and noon. أنتما تذهبان. أنتما تذهبان. Yeah, it's okay, school. Let's say. It should be تذهبان when I will continue the sentence, but when I start at this word, I can add sukun in the last of the word, in the last of the verb. So, أنا أذهب, I go. أنت تذهب, you go for masculine. أنت تذهبين, also you go but for feminine. أنتما تذهبان, it means you both go. أنتم تذهبون. With أنتم, I add واو ونون. I add ta before the verb and add واو and noon for the end of the verb. It becomes تذهبون. تذهبون. باء. أنتن, أنتم تذهبون, of course, you all for feminine. For أنتم تذهبون for masculine, yeah. أنتما تذهبان for this, yeah, this. أنتم تذهبون for masculine and feminine if they were together. أنتن تذهبن. أنتن تذهبن. تذهبن. أنتن تذهبن for you all go for feminine. نحن we have نحن, it means we start in the letter نون نحن, so I add نون. نحن نذهب. I will try to write it in a good handwriting here because this space I can't write well. فنحن نذهب. نحن نذهب. نحن نذهب. We go. We go. Those pronouns, when I speak to someone or someone, some boy, some girl, some man, some woman directly, or some people directly. But when I speak about someone, some people is not here, not listening me, not speaking to me, or maybe they were inside hearing me and listening to me, but as we say in English, the third person, let's see. هو, it means he. هو, I add ياء. هو, ياء. Then the verb ذهب. يذهب. It become يذهب. يذهب. Here, it means she. We add ta because it is feminine. The same verb, ta, and the same verb, تذهب. تذهب, here the verb, the same تذهب with أنت, with you in masculine. Here, تذهب, هو, أنت, تذهب. The same verb, exactly. هما يذهبان for masculine, they both. Sorry. آسفة. Sorry. In Arabic, آسفة for woman. When the woman want to say آسفة, when she wants to say I'm sorry, she said or she says أنا آسفة. The man or the boy says sorry أنا آسف. But for the woman أنا آسفة. For the man أنا آسف. Yeah. I'm sorry أنا آسفة. هما يذهبان for both masculine. هما تذهبان or تذهبان, it is the same. يذهبان. هما تذهبان for feminine. هم يذهبون. It means هم, they all, for masculine, and feminine when they are together. When they are only masculine, we say يذهبون. هن يذهبن. هن يذهبن for plural of a group of women, group of girls, for plural for women. هن يذهبن they go. فهي goes, she goes, they both go, they both go. تذهبان. Let's read it again. Try to pronounce after me. أنا أذهب, I go. أنت تذهب, you go for masculine. أنت تذهبين, you go for feminine. أنتما, you both. تذهبان for masculine and feminine, you both. أنتم تذهبون for masculine, you all. أنتم تذهبون, you all go. It means you go, yeah. أنتن تذهبن, also you go all but for feminine. أنتم تذهبون for masculine, أنتن تذهبن for feminine. نحن نذهب, it means we go. It is easy. Let's see the another pronouns. Yeah, the rest of pronouns. هو يذهب, he goes. هي تذهب, she goes. هما يذهبان, they both when they are masculine. هما تذهبان, they both when they are feminine. هم يذهبون, they go for plural, for group of people if they were men, or men and women. But if I have only women, I say هن. هن يذهبن, they go, but for feminine. That's all for today. هذا كان كل شيء لهذا اليوم. I hope for you the best. أرجو لكم التوفيق يا رب. Wait, just one moment. If you want to capture the board to be easier to you to save, that's allowed. 1, 2, 3. That's all for today. You are welcome, my dear followers. It is an honor to me to invite you to subscribe my channel. Ring the bell, please. Good comment and dua like you. You are welcome. أرجو لكم التوفيق جميعا يا رب. I hope for you the best. السلام عليكم.